If you want to change the font in Beehiiv, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to update your website fonts step by step so you can change the look and feel of your Beehiiv site in just a few minutes. This is a simple way to make your newsletter website look more branded, more professional, and easier to read. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Beehiiv tutorials and creator tips. Alright, let's jump into it. The first thing you need to do is log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website option in the left-hand menu. Click Website and then click Builder. This is where Beehiiv lets you customize the design of your website, including fonts, colors, layout settings, and more. Now that you're in the Builder, look over to the left toolbar and click the Settings gear icon. This opens up the main design controls for your site. From here, you'll want to click Themes. The Themes section is where Beehiiv stores your overall styling options, including typography settings that control how your text appears across the website. Once you're in Themes, click Edit Theme. This will open the theme editor, where you can make detailed changes to your website appearance. Now, find the typography settings. This is the area you need if you want to customize how headings and body text look on your site. Here, you'll usually see separate options for different text styles. Start with the heading font. This is the font used for titles, section headers, and other important text elements. Choose a font that matches your brand and looks clean and readable. If you want a bold, modern look, pick something that stands out. If you want a more minimal or editorial style, choose a simple font that feels polished and professional. Next, choose your body font. This is the font used for paragraphs and regular text throughout your Beehiiv website. Since this is the font your visitors will read the most, make sure it's easy on the eyes and comfortable for longer reading sessions. A good body font should be clear, balanced, and consistent across devices. Take a moment to review both fonts before saving. If your heading font and body font work well together, your website will instantly feel more cohesive and branded. If they clash, your site may look unbalanced, so it's worth choosing carefully. Once you're happy with the font selections, click Save. Saving stores your theme changes, but you're not done yet. To make sure the changes actually appear on your live website, you need to click Publish. Publishing applies the updated font settings to your Beehiiv website so your visitors can see the new design. After that, refresh your website and check the result. You should now see your new heading font and body font live on your site. If it doesn't look exactly how you expected, you can always go back into Builder, adjust the typography settings, and publish again until it feels right. And that's how you change the font in Beehiiv. It's a quick process, but it can make a huge difference in the overall look of your website. A small font change can help your newsletter feel more on brand, more readable, and more polished in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Beehiiv tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.